Welcome to Longboat Key, Florida, nestled between Sarasota Bay and the Gulf of Mexico along Florida's Gulf Coast. This barrier island is a slice of paradise known for its pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and tranquil ambiance. Today we'll uncover what makes Longboat Key so special. Between its amazing history, its laid-back lifestyle, stunning beaches, top-notch restaurants, real estate, and more. So whether you're planning a visit or thinking about making Longboat Key your home, stay tuned. Longboat Key has a rich history dating back to the indigenous Calusa people, who first inhabited the area. Later, Spanish explorers arrived in the 1500s. Fast forward to the 20th century and Longboat Key began transforming into the luxurious destination we know today. The development of resorts and residential areas truly shaped its unique character. With Longboat Key being situated between Sarasota Bay and the Gulf of Mexico, it offers easy access to both Sarasota and Breathtaking. This convenient location provides residents and visitors with the perfect balance of seclusion and proximity to urban amenities. The Sarasota-Breathtaking International Airport is just a short drive away, ensuring effortless travel connections. With its warm tropical climate, Longboat Key enjoys sunny weather year-round. Average temperatures range from the mid-60s in winter to the mid-80s in the summer, making it an ideal destination for outdoor activities. Life on Longboat Key is all about relaxation and enjoying the finer things. From morning yoga sessions on the beach to leisurely boat rides through Sarasota Bay, this island offers a tranquil escape. Residents and visitors alike embrace a slower pace, making it the perfect place to unwind. Longboat Key is a foodie's dream. For fine dining, head to Euphemia Hay, known for its gourmet dishes and dessert room. If you're craving fresh seafood with a waterfront view, our Vista Dockside Restaurant is a must. Right next door is Shore Restaurant, which serves an array of seafood dishes and creative twists such as ahi tuna and ceviche. This restaurant also garners attention for its cheesecake, key lime pie, and truffle fries in a sophisticated setting. There's no shortage of things to do here. Golfers will appreciate the championship courses at the Longboat Key Club, while nature enthusiasts can explore the scenic trails and parks. Parks such as this one where I'm standing, which is Joan M. Durante Park, which has numerous hiking trails or bird watching, and you can go along the Sarasota Bay to check out the water and just relax and enjoy the scenery. Boaters and sailors can take advantage of the marina facilities and the nearby intercoastal waterway. Longboat Key's beaches are some of the best in Florida, boasting 12 miles of uncrowded, powdery white sand beaches lapped by crystal clear turquoise waters. Whether you're a sunbather, swimmer, or shell collector, the serene coastline is a haven for beach lovers. The island is also a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, offering activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. Looking for a quieter experience? Head to Beer Can Island, a secluded gym at the northern tip. There are only 5 public beach access points on Longboat Key with limited parking, no lifeguards, and no public facilities. This key is much more private and secluded than the neighboring Siesta Key to the south and Anna Maria to the north. Longboat Key is renowned for its upscale real estate options, including beachfront condos, elegant estates, and waterfront homes with private docks. Many properties featuring stunning views of the Gulf or Bay, along with amenities like pools, tennis courts, and private beach access. The island's well-manicured neighborhoods reflect its reputation for exclusivity and sophistication. So whether you're looking for a permanent residence, vacation home, or investment property, Longboat Key offers an unparalleled blend of natural beauty, luxury, and convenience. Discover the charm of this Gulf Coast gem and experience the ultimate in Florida coastal living. Looking for a place to stay? Visitors can choose from luxurious resorts like the Resort at Longboat Key Club, offering world-class amenities, or opt for cozy vacation rentals for a more private stay. No matter your preference, accommodations here are designed to enhance your experience. So what's the vibe on Longboat Key? It's sophisticated yet welcoming, serene but never boring. It's a place where luxury meets laid-back living. Longboat Key exudes a relaxed yet vibrant atmosphere, attracting a mix of retirees, families, and seasonal residents. The community hosts regular events, including art shows, farmers markets, and outdoor concerts, fostering a close-knit, welcoming environment. Longboat Key is a dream destination for those seeking a blend of luxury, relaxation, and natural beauty. So whether you're here for a weekend getaway or considering a permanent move, Longboat Key promises an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining me on this journey today on Longboat Key. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your favorite thing to do on Longboat Key. And I'll see you next time. And remember, show me Longboat Key.